Hi, this is Paolo from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create auto chat to audience timeline action using Zoom. Please note that the time defined should fall within the webinar time. Let's log into AEvent and open your timeline. Click on Create Action. Let's set this action 2 minutes after the webinar started. Let's target registrants from the main event. Let's select Zoom. Let's select Auto Chat to Audience. Enter the message you want automatically sent on the set time. Click on Create. We've successfully created the auto chat to audience timeline action. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you.